Hello guys, how is everyone doing? And welcome to another trading video. So in this video I'll be breaking down an XAUUSD, that's gold, a buy setup I took on Friday, which played out according to my trading plan. So I'll show you exactly how I took that trade and yeah, how I managed to set my stop losses, hit my take profit. Okay, so like I always do, I'm always first going to the high time frame to determine the market bias. Okay, and as we can see very well on the high time frame, we were massively bearish, but we were on that small pullback right there. As you can see, this was a massive rally to the downside, meaning the high time frame is bearish. So we were in this pullback right here, and as an experienced trader, what do you understand when we are on a pullback, despite the market being on a massive sell, we are definitely going to be looking for buys. Okay, so I go back to the lower time frame. On the lower time frame, that's where I draw my market structure. Where is the Friday? Friday is here, right somewhere around here. Okay, so this is a Friday right here. This was the rally I got on Friday. If you check very well, we had a high right there. Okay, so on the 5 minute, I marked the market structure. We have another high right there, and which caused the break. Okay, boom, right there. So we created this low right here. We mark that low. We know very well on the high time frame we are in a pullback, meaning we will be looking for buys. Okay, we would be looking for the buys. Okay, so what do we see next? We see a break of structure right there. So this is our BOS. I will make it capital. We have our BOS right there. So market then pulled back after creating that break of structure, then came and created this market structure shift right there. So meaning this is our recent uh, last high right there. Okay, so we have a market structure shift right there on the 5 minute. As you know me very well, if you've watched my recent videos, my entry model is a 5 minute market structure shift entry model. That's the STF entry model. Okay, that's my personal entry model. And after that, we got that low right there. We have a low here. Okay, I'm teaching you guys my personal entry model. This is not SMC, this is not what supply and demand, just STF entry model. So after market created this 5 minute market structure shift, what do I do next? You see along this zone right here, I just wanted to like highlight along this zone right here. What do? I drop down to the lower time frame. Okay, and that's the 1 minute. And okay, so this is what you see on the 1 minute when you zoom in. So we are here after the market structure shift. We are around this area right there. Why do I look for next? I look for a market structure shift on the fractal time frame. That's the 1 minute. Okay, so that's our low right there, our lower high right there, and I always mark this with a different color. We can mark it with using blue. That's our 1 minute MSS right there being formed. What do I look for next? I look for the market. Since the market had already broken here, if it creates that market structure shift on the 1 minute, I look for a pullback. After the break, I look for that massive pullback. Okay, and when I get that massive pullback, I wait for confirmation that the market is now trying to lose the momentum, the sell momentum. Okay, and you check very well, you see after this rally and or a pullback, we see market here began printing green candles. That means the momentum of the sellers is fading away. So what do? I wait for my engulfing right there. What do I do next? I place my buy right there, my order right there. I decide to put my stop loss either here or down there. Okay, so I place my stop loss before there, making sure I also account for I also make sure I've accounted for the spread of the market. Okay, I make sure I've accounted for the spread of the market. Okay, so we are right here, and what do I target? I target my risk to reward ratio of 4, somewhere around there, and I watch the market do what it does best, either hit my stop loss or my take profit. My take profit is always around 4. My stop loss is always before a protected low, either here or somewhere there. Okay, it depends anyways. Okay, and so guys, what I always want to advise beginner traders, always wait for your setup to play out before you can enter a trade, and don't chase a trade. Okay, for example, check right here. I would have risked trying to enter here, because this after here this move had already moved a distance, and I would have got a really bad stop loss, you see, or else I would have entered here, which is not a good entry. Okay, like I was saying, always take trades when you are at most very sure that you have followed all your rules. Okay, never skip a rule. Okay, and always be patient to wait for those pullbacks. For example, it takes patience to wait for all this pullback to come back here to your to a really good entry. Okay, otherwise you will be trying to chase the market, which is not a good thing. Always wait for the market to come to your point of interest before you can enter your trade. And remember, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'm always trying post videos of the same type, and also I'll be trying to live stream on a daily basis. So make sure you support the channel, and yeah, learn a few things here and there from my channel. Okay, so let me show you how the trade worked out. Okay, and boom, I was in the trade. Okay, you wait patiently even after this pullback happened. Okay, you need to really be patient and leave the market to play out. Okay, I don't micromanage my trades. I set and forget. Okay, until market hits take profit, and boom, my TP was hit right here, and I was out right there. As simple as that. That's my 5-minute market structure. STF entry model, that's my personal entry model. Okay, and you can only learn it on my channel. Okay, this strategy here works on all pairs, but if you want to learn what type of conditions this strategy works best, keep watching my videos and liking all my videos. I'll be sharing more information in the upcoming videos and also in my live streams. Okay, yeah, always follow your rules. Don't chase the market, be patient and wait for your setups to be presented so you can execute accordingly. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.